Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
YouTube shows videos based on your watch and search history every time. The home feed uses that data to predict what you might watch next. If you want recommendations stopped, you must remove or isolate that data. The only reliable ways are to sign out, use incognito, or disable history and clear existing entries. Each option prevents personalized suggestions from appearing on your home feed. Without history data, YouTube only shows trending or generic videos instead of your tailored recommendations. Open YouTube and tap your profile icon to access settings and history. Choose Manage All Activity and then pause Watch History to stop future recording. Repeat by selecting Pause Search History to halt search-based personalization. Next, select Clear All Watch History and Clear All Search History to remove existing influence. Finally, use incognito mode or sign out whenever you want zero personalization on the home feed. These steps together prevent YouTube from learning from your activity and reduce to maintain no recommendations. Keep watch and search history paused and cleared regularly. Use incognito mode or sign out to ensure no new personalization accumulates over time. If you prefer a persistent workaround, install a browser extension that hides the home feed and recommended sidebar. Alternatively, use the subscriptions or library tabs to access channels directly without algorithmic suggestions. Review settings occasionally because account sync or app updates can re-enable history. These strategies to
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.